In this video, we'll teach you a few easy ways to paint grass using acrylic. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Subscribe to our channel for even more helpful videos like this. Hit the bell icon when subscribing to be notified of our upcoming tutorials. Method number 1 is painting long blades of grass using a fan brush. For this method, you'll need a fan brush, of course, and leaf green paint. Here's what a fan brush looks like. Let's create long blades of grass using this brush in its skinniest up and down positioning. Be sure to load up the brush with leaf green. Flick your brush up and away at a slight arc to create each blade of grass. As you continue, change the orientation of the grass blades slightly. This will take some layering to accomplish, so try to have patience as you work. Let the paint dry as needed and use variations of green to achieve depth. Did you catch that technique? Let's watch it again in slow motion so that you may master it. Let's move on to method number 2, which is creating patches of grass using a fan brush. For this technique, you'll need a fan brush and leaf green paint to start. Load up your fan brush with leaf green and orient the paintbrush so it's in its widest position like you see here. Apply the paint to the canvas using quick upward brushstrokes and patches. The uneven ends where the paint breaks up will help you quickly create short patches of grass. Layer is needed until it fills the area required for your painting. Mix a darker green by adding a bit of brown to leaf green or by scooping up some brown paint with the same fan brush that just applied green paint to the canvas. Paint even shorter upward brushstrokes to add some depth to the grass while the green paint is still wet. You can go back and forth between green and brown to achieve realism using a wet-on-wet painting technique. Keep on working until you like the look. Method number 3 is painting long blades of grass using a flat brush. For this method, you'll need leaf green paint and a 1/2 inch or smaller flat brush, like this. Using a flat brush in its skinniest orientation, which is up and down, will help when utilizing this technique. Similarly to the fan brush method, apply green paint using a flicking motion at a slight arc to paint blades of grass quickly. As you work, you can paint singular blades next to one another or paint patches that meet one another eventually. It's easy to create variations by painting longer blades or by switching up the angle of the arc and/or the height of the grass. Continue onward to layer blades of grass to create depth of imagery. As a bonus, we'd like to teach you how a detailer brush helps to add realism to these techniques. Small detailer brushes like this will help you add the tiniest of flourishes to any patch or blade of grass. Using a variation on green with the detailer brush helps to add a slight shadow and natural realism to these techniques. This simple step adds dimension to any of the methods shown here today. We hope you learned something new today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share this with a creative friend who may need it. Consider subscribing to Acrylic Arts Academy to see even more helpful videos like this. We invite you to start your acrylic painting journey today by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. We have guided courses by subject that have been designed with beginners in mind. Join us!